Hello, my name is Temi, and we have Esther.
This is my channel, Temi. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Esther, and today we have
Temi.
Yay! This is my little cousin. I've done a video with her before. I'll link it up there. So today she'll be doing our own makeup. So are you ready to beat your face? Are you ready?
Yeah.
I have all the stuff here for her. And for her not to mess up my brushes, I'll tell her what to use and the right brushes to use. So are you ready? Okay. So what do you want to start with? You have to show them what you're using, okay?
Okay.
You have to start with this one.
You have to use this.
Yeah, pick it up. Show them. What's that?
A spray.
It's a powder. Primer.
This is a primer.
Good. Now you have to put it on your face. Powder. Okay. You have to make yourself look cute, okay?
Okay.
You have to look like me. Don't put it away, be careful. The mirror. So you can see what you're doing. Okay, there you go. Can you see yourself? Okay. Alright. Okay, that's enough. So what are you doing next?
Yeah. Is
What are you doing next?
to clean it.
Okay. This is so funny. Alright. So what do you want to do next?
Now.
Won't you do your eyebrows? You forgot. Wow, Temi. You use that pencil. Let me hold the mirror up for her. Okay. Your eyebrows, not your eyelashes. Okay, now you have to draw it on. Yes! Flicky! Make it look flicky. She's going in, guys. She's really going in. Wow. So pretty. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Now you have to show guys. Show them. What? Does it look like mine?
Next.
You have to do foundation. Good. You have to show them what you're using. It's the other side. The other side.
Next is
that one. So you have to show them. Don't forget. What's that called? Concealer.
Concealer.
Good. So where do you want to put the concealer?
In my face.
You want to put it all over your face.
Yeah.
You put it under your eyes, and on your chin, and on your forehead as well.
Done. Done.
Is it done? So do you want to set your makeup?
Yeah.
Should I press it?
Yeah.
No, no, no. Let me just press it for you. Close your eyes. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Ready? 1, 2, go. She was shaken. See how you look. Look at you.
This is finished look.
Turn. So this is the end of our video.
Like, subscribe.
Please subscribe and join the royalty squad. Stay blessed, stay positive, stay motivated, stay beautiful, and don't forget to drink water
Drink water.
and mind your business. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Bye.